So what's the story?
Getting cold again, isn't it?
Not
Yeah.
much. Not much.
Summer last week.
Get the key, yeah?
Yeah, there you go.
Just put it on position.
Full ignition, is it?
Yeah.
You got to stand the brake there, just together.
Don't start. Don't start. Just don't start. What's the diagnostic on this? OBD port on this thing?
I've no idea, pal.
Huh?
There's
Take this out.
going there, innit? Hang on. And the thing I know that's the volt saying, no? That's not it. It's 12
No,
volts.
no, that's the secret. Sometimes they put in different spot. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
here. Let's have a look there. When this started? 2 days ago?
Yeah, about a week ago. Just
Week
said,
ago.
let's check gearbox.
Check the gearbox.
Check gearbox, yeah.
And
Said
probably there's no oil, like, no? What do you think?
could be possible.
Huh?
Probably needs oil in the gearbox.
Should be, huh? Should be.
There's it. Yeah, you find it?
Yeah.
Fucking strange place to put it, isn't it?
Underneath the ashtray thing. Okay. We will see what's going on.
Do you want me to take the fucking keys off this thing?
What? No need. Just only tiny bit. Okay. We'll see how it's going.
What?
We will see how it is.
Yeah, hopefully it's fucking just oil. So check that, I couldn't find where to put the oil.
I hope it only needs oil.
Yeah, so the fucking I.
Yeah. Because if not, we might go dig deeper. Huh?
Fucking hate digging.
Probably. Oh. Didn't find the code like gearbox. Oh. It doesn't say like.
Not find the code, or
It doesn't say anything. But will you start the engine? Yeah? Start, yeah? We'll see how.
like nothing comes up on that. Says oil okay, everything okay.
So if there is no like engine light or warning lights on the dashboard,
Yeah, there's nothing.
our diagnostic cannot detect because it only detect if there is
Or something
warning
on that.
lights, warning signs on that one. So if there is warning lights, ring me.
There's no warning lights, so it's basically.
There's no warning light now because obviously it work. I think it's working.
So where would I put the fluid in if I need to put fluid in?
Just open, yeah. Stop the engine, yeah.
I checked the other day to see.
But we need to confirm. We need to confirm whether or not it needs gearbox oil or transmission fluid, because if we put too much, it doesn't bring good as well, you know.
That's why I couldn't find where to put it in. I couldn't find the dipstick for that anywhere.
Sometimes they don't have dipstick. Yeah, it's only, what's this? In this case, we need to jack up the car. No,
What's this one here? That's not.
we need to jack up the car. That's the, this one here.
Yeah.
Is the steering.
Steering.
Fluid. Anything that is gearbox here, it's only here on the
On that side.
passenger side, yeah.
You under the battery or any fucking thing?
But couldn't see anything here. The pillar plug. Pillar plug. Obviously, we need to jack up the thing.
Don't make it fucking easy, do they?
They don't make it easy. They don't. Because you will no longer call me if they make it easy. But the thing is, listen. We don't do it for now. But surely to goodness, might have to service the transmission fluid on this one. We change
Change the transmission fluid.
first and then put the right amount on it, and if it is going on the dashboard again, yeah,
So when can you do that then?
buy the transmission fluid first, no?
Yeah, how much do you need?
This about 3 liters
3 litres of it.
of it, yeah, 3 liters of it, yeah. Need to change the transmission fluid, and then from that
You go from there.
we go from there. That's the cheapest,
Yeah.
you know.